Hey, Chihuahua, can I talk to you about something?
Sure. What is it?
Well, I think the Alliance should go our separate ways. Of course I'll still help you guys, but I also want to help everyone else still in the game. I'm sorry.
Whatever, Black Lab. You made the stupid decision to leave the Alliance. Now I hope you get eliminated. Enough bickering, everyone. It's time for no rough feelings.
Everybody gather around.
Welcome to the ceremony, everyone. How are you all?
I'm alright.
I was joking. Don't answer that. I don't care. Anyway, Black Lab is safe since he won immunity. The first people safe are Beagle and Dalmatian with 10% each.
Next safe is Chihuahua with 21%.
And now we're at the bottom too, Pomeranian and Dachshund. It's funny, you guys are the two rejoiners, and now one of you will be sent back to Eliminated Land. Who's it gonna be? And Dachshund is out.
No.
No! I hate rain.
Come on, don't be so negative. Rain can be good. Yeah, I agree with Dalmatian. Let's be more positive.
I hate the rain too. It's time for the next challenge, everyone, and you'll be pleased to know it's indoors.
Oh, I remember this place.
I don't remember this.
That's because you were eliminated when we came here, Pomeranian. And plus, didn't you watch the show in Eliminated Land?
Well, it was probably a very bad and forgettable episode. The next challenge is basketball. Two contestants will go against each other one at a time, and the first person to score wins. After that, the winners will face off in the final match, and whoever wins that round wins immunity.
But there's an odd number of us, so someone's gonna have to sit out.
Well, you can sit out if you want to.
Whatever. You can't win immunity twice in a row. Nice sound effects.
Thank you. Go.
Ah!
Pomeranian wins the first round.
Hey, that's not fair. Beagle was kicked.
Well, I can't be bothered to do a rematch.
Seriously, stop with the effects. It's annoying.
Go!
Hey, Black Lab, what's up? I'm pretty good, but I feel like people might vote for me after what happened with the Alliance. Don't worry, Black Lab. I'm sure you'll be safe.
Dalmatian wins! Whatever, I didn't even try. Okay, anyway, it's time for the final round. Go! And after that thrilling challenge, Dalmatian wins immunity.
Hey, good job, Dalmatian. Yeah, you did great. You did a really good job, Dalmatian.
So...
Wait! I quit, okay?
Why?
I'm doing it to benefit Beagle. Ever since the start of the game, he's been relying on his friends, and I want him to find that little bit of independence that will help him get through the game and get to the end. I'm positive that he can do it because he is one of the best dogs I've met. And personally, I think that he should win a season just because of how far he's come. So, I quit. It will be better for both me and Beagle.
Okay.
Good luck, Beagle. Okay. Now I know what I gotta do.
So, now we're down to the final 4, but now it's about to be the final 3 because you're all up for elimination and one of you will be eliminated.